about the Pythagorean theorem and the quadratic formula. So, first we'll have the so we have the Pythagorean theorem over there, and then this is the quadratic formula. Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem is important because if you have a triangle and you need to know the sides of it, and you only have two sides that you know, like let's pretend we didn't know C, we can use this formula to figure out the third side. So if A is 2 and B is 4, so that would be, we plug in 2.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes?
Why can we use that formula?
This formula was created by a mathematician long ago, and I don't know how they figured it out, but they did, and so they just give us this formula, and they tell us that it fits in with here, and so we can use it to solve this equation. So let me show you how to use it really quick. So we have 2 plugged in for A, so that'll be 2 squared, plus B squared, and B is 4, so we plug in 4. So 2 squared plus 4 squared equals...
I have another question.
Yes.
What's the square?
Squared means you take it and you times it by itself. So 2 squared would be 2 times 2. Does anyone know the answer to 2 times 2?
I know the answer.
Oh, what is it, Brian?
It's 4.
4, very good. 4. Okay, so can anyone figure out 4 squared? What does that mean?
16.
Brian?
16.
Very good. So it's 4.
I don't know if I can see that so fast.
4 times 4, and that equals 16. So we have 4 plus 16, and does anyone know what that equals? Right.
20.
Very good. But can anyone see the problem here? Is our answer 20?
No,
No. Very good. Very good, Rebecca. What's our answer?
I don't know.
Well, if our is equals c squared, this is c squared. So what do we need to do to the 20 to find the answer, Brian?
Take the square root of it.
Take the square root of it. And so our answer is the square root of 20 equals c. All right, any questions, class?
This is boring to me. What's a square root?
Well, the square root is if you take the square of it, it's like the opposite of it.
This is like just going over my head. I don't get it.
We'll take an example. So 2 times 2
Are we going to be doing this all day?
equals 4. Yes, this is our lesson for the rest of the day. You know, if you need to leave, you can leave because I'm outside.
No, I'm just going to text him.
Right.
Can I look ahead, please?
Maybe we should talk about getting you into an advanced class, Brian. Maybe we should get you some tutoring or watching you after class. Okay.
Yeah.
So tonight our homework is going to be pages 506, numbers 1 through 100.
We're in third hour and that's not what's on the board.
Third hour. That's for another class. All right, everyone. Class is dismissed.
I don't understand this. I'm so bored. I don't know why you're bored. It's so. I don't understand. Smarty pants, Mr. Know-it-all.
Hi, Anna.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, my class was just so disrespectful today.
Really? I didn't understand a word in my class.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just so hard because they're all at different levels, and like one is really like understanding everything and they're so advanced and they should seriously be in like 10th grade math class. But then another one, she just bored out of her mind. But I know she would like understand everything and be really a nice student in class if she just applied herself. And then my third student, she's really struggling, and I think she needs some extra help, but I don't know if her home life is really helping her and she doesn't have time to do homework after school, and so I don't know what to do. And like it's so expensive to hire a tutor, and she's failing.
Well, have you heard of the Khan Academy?
The what academy?
Khan Academy.
What's that?
It's this math website that this guy came up with to help students and teachers come up with examples to help them.
So
I'll show you. It's
Okay.
online. You just click on Khan Academy. And it has a whole introduction. You can watch a video or try an exercise, and then it has practice.
You're saying if our students don't understand what we learned in class today, they can go back to this website and look up the lesson and watch it all over again,
Yep.
and then they can do practice on it? That's perfect. I'm going to write that down and let my kids know. KhanAcademy.org. Good morning, class.
Morning. Are we gonna do hard stuff today?
I'm going to teach you something today that will change your life.
I'm still bored. More easier.
Okay. How many of you had fun on the homework last night? Good, Brian. I'm so happy you had fun. How many of you struggled a little bit on the homework last night? Okay. Well, I'm sorry that I can't go home with you every night and help you with your homework, but I found out a new resource that we can all use to help us better our skills. I'm going to write on the board, so everyone get a paper and pencil out and write this down. This is KhanAcademy.org, and this is
That's
basically
a funny name.
Khan Academy. It is the name of a man who invented it. Basically, it has videos of every different parts of the lesson that you can think of in any math or science, and you can watch videos, and then you can even practice at home, and you can try to work at your own pace. And if you're if you're struggling with anything, you can use this website, and you can rewatch lessons that I would normally teach in class. And it'll be a great resource that we can all start to use in this class. So I know you all will do well. And even if you think this class is too easy, Brian, you can go ahead and work at your own pace. And so you can learn new things, and you can make sure you keep up with everyone else in the class. So, does everyone have this written down?
Yep.
Alright, so we're going to move on to our next lesson today, which will be on the quadratic formula.
Papers,
I can't find how to do this in my book, so it's a good thing Miss Sarah gave me that website. So she said that I go to the website and then I Google or I search for what I need to find. So I'm going to search for the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. And then she told me that the guy who puts all these videos on here will explain it just as well as she did in class.
Alright, class, I have your homework from the other night, and this is your first time using the Khan Academy. I think it really helped, so good job, A+. Of course, here you go, Brian, A+. Rebecca. Oh my gosh, yay! A+. Thanks. Did you use the Khan Academy last
I
night?
did. It works really, really
Good
well.
job.
I think I totally understand the quadratic equation
Good.
now.
Hi, I'm 41, and I panicked when I found out I had to take a college math placement exam. It's been years. I was told to check out your site. I did, studied hard, and went through nearly 20 tutorials and practice lessons. Yesterday, the big test. I passed with a high score. I couldn't have done it without you. This Thanksgiving, I am thankful for Khan Academy.
Good morning. My name is Sarah, and I am a high school math teacher in Iowa that is working with Des Moines Public Schools Dropout Prevention Program at Hoover High School. We have started using Khan as a method for kids to earn or recover credits. Our kids are loving it. We see kids moving through math constellation with great vigor. We thank you greatly for your product. We are also wild about the new progress summary screen that you added to the coaching tab. Again, thanks for all you've offered to our kids.